Hey, Leo Dreger here. I want to do a tool called HDValet. This is what we would call a junk file cleaner. Basically, just scans your hard drives for obviously the things here, backup files. And if you go to the properties of any one of these, it'll tell you exactly what it does, right? Searches the local drives, searches for files matching these specifications, asterisk.back, asterisk.old, cleans up files by moving them to the recycle bin. Okay, so you could realistically go through that. It's pretty consistent from what I've seen in terms of everything going to the recycle bin. Specifically, I have the recycle bin empty here. And for giggles, we're going to do this along with registry shot just to see if we can have some fun, see if in fact trying to clean your tracks in this faction actually has any effect on the registry from this point of view. Okay, so I'm just going to leave everything checked here, indicative of a user cleaning their tracks and taking any files and trying to delete them, make them go bye-bye. So we're going to go ahead and clean that up. So now testing backup files. It's going to run through its program, and we'll let it run. We'll see how long it takes, and then we'll compare it to the second round of registry entries and see if removing anything from the system actually does in fact affect the registry, or at least this tool. HDValet processed 11 junk files and removed 797 junk files. 143 files could not be removed. Check the log file for details. When all of these files are permanently deleted, you will realize the savings of at least 530 megabytes. So it tells us the size. To view the log file, sure. Let's go ahead and look at the log file. Log file, non-existent. Let's look at the recycle bin. Whoops, that's not deleted. Let's look at it. Okay, so it looks like it. Let's change the view here. List details. So found a whole bunch of stuff in a couple of different drives here. I have a sample drive. Okay, found a lot of real estate files. Most of them are all temp files. So it deleted all of those. Okay, great. Also, you can sort by file type over here. You get some dates and timestamps if you also like. Okay, great. Log file non-existent. And let's take a second shot of our registry and see if it changes anything there. Now, I do have the scan directory listed here, but it's not selected. So I don't believe that this matters in this specific case. So let's compare the files. Okay. Keys added in this case. So current version, Bitbucket volume, something with Explorer here. Looks like a lot of Bitbucket files, multiple user interface caches. Okay, and then you could go through and analyze this and figure out, is this related to our actions or not? I'm not going to spend time on that specifically here. But it looks like more files were actually added to the registry than actually removed from the systems. But we did have several keys or hives that have been modified. So you'd want to go ahead and save that for your analysis later. So final summary. Took a shot of the registry, took a file cleaner, analyzed the registry again, and while one would think that a lot of things would be removed, actually values were added to the registry. So the moral of the story here is that things are not always as they appear. So thanks for watching. My name's Leo Dreger, and I'll see you in the next video.